Okay, so we're going to finish up reviewing some vocabulary terms and other stuff from this unit. So, first of all, the movement to the Sun Belt. So, over the last 50 or 60 years, in the United States, a lot of the population has shifted away from the Northeast, also known as the Rust Belt, and moved toward the Southwest part of the country, also known as the Sun Belt. As a result, though, the shift in population has caused a change in both representation in Congress, the number of electoral votes assigned to each state, and just kind of political power overall has shifted. B asks about the graying of America. So what this refers to is our overall aging population. So the baby boom generation, which as we know was very big, is starting to get older and into retirement age. And overall, the aging of this generation is putting a strain on some of our age-based entitlement systems like Medicare and Social Security. Couple of court cases from this time period. So both New Jersey v. TLO and Vernonia School District v. Acton are Fourth Amendment cases regarding students' rights in school. Specifically, their protection against unreasonable search and seizure. So both cases indicate that students do have these rights in school, but that overall these rights are much more limited in school than they are in the outside world. Specifically, the New Jersey v. TLO ruled that the probable cause needed to search students in school is much, much less than in a non-school setting. And for the Vernonia School District v. Acton, it ruled that students can be drug tested if they are student athletes and participating in an activity like that. But again, overall, students do still have rights in school, but they are more limited than they are in a non-school setting. E talks about the trade imbalance in the United States. So again, in the last 50-ish years or so, the U.S. has imported or bought from other countries a higher value of goods than they have exported or sold to other countries. And partially as a result of this, many high-paying manufacturing jobs have kind of declined in the United States. Outsourcing is a little similar. Many companies in the United States have actually moved some of their labor to other countries to save on labor costs. You can pay workers a lot less in maybe Southeast Asia or Mexico than you can in the United States. And this also has contributed to a decline in some of the stable, high-paying manufacturing type jobs that don't require a college degree. Finally, globalization, another related term here. Basically, the idea behind globalization is that the United States economy has become much more interconnected and intertwined with the economy in the rest of the world. And overall, this leads to both economic opportunities and economic challenges for people in the United States.